Have you ever felt like life throws curveballs at you when you least expect them? Maybe you've struggled to find your footing in the face of adversity, or perhaps you're simply searching for a way to improve yourself and become the best version of yourself. Well, fear not, because today we're here to talk about the 10 skills every man needs in life. These skills aren't just ordinary abilities but essential tools to help you navigate life's ups and downs with grace and confidence. Whether it's mastering communication, developing a strong work ethic, or learning how to stay calm under pressure, these skills are the key to unlocking your full potential and becoming the man you were meant to be. So let's dive in and discover these skills and why they're so important. Number 10. Emotional intelligence. The first skill that every man needs in life is emotional intelligence. It's the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as empathize with the emotions of others. This skill is crucial because it affects all areas of our lives, from our personal relationships to our professional success. In fact, research has shown that emotional intelligence is more important for success than IQ or technical skills. It's the key to effective communication, conflict resolution, and leadership. Men with strong emotional intelligence are more likely to be promoted, have successful relationships, and live fulfilling lives. But what does emotional intelligence look like in action? It means being able to identify and express your own emotions in a healthy way, while also being able to read and respond to the emotions of those around you. Number 9. Critical thinking. It's the ability to analyze information, evaluate arguments, and make reasoned decisions. This skill is vital because we live in a world where we're constantly bombarded with information, much of it conflicting or misleading. In fact, critical thinking has become more important than ever before. According to the World Economic Forum, critical thinking is one of the top skills employers seek in the 21st century. It's also a skill that's essential for success in our personal lives. Men who are able to think critically are better equipped to make informed decisions about everything from their finances to their relationships. But what does critical thinking look like in action? It means questioning assumptions, weighing evidence, and considering different perspectives. It means being able to distinguish fact from fiction and being able to separate our emotions from our reasoning. Number 8. Assertiveness. Assertiveness is a key life skill every man needs. Knowing how to communicate your needs, opinions, and ideas in a direct and respectful manner is essential to success in your personal and professional life. Being assertive allows you to take charge of your life, stand up for yourself, and make sure your rights are respected. At work, being assertive can help you get what you want in terms of salary, benefits, projects, and career advancement. If you can communicate your goals in a straightforward, non-confrontational manner, you're more likely to get what you want from your employer. In personal relationships, assertiveness can be just as important. It's important to be able to express your feelings and thoughts honestly, with respect for your partner. Assertiveness allows you to make your needs known and build stronger relationships. Being assertive also helps in difficult conversations, such as when you need to disagree with someone or confront them about an issue. You can do this calmly and directly without being aggressive or passive. Number 7. Effective communication. Good communication is essential for any man to succeed in life. It is the key to making relationships work, getting ahead in the workplace, and achieving personal goals. Effective communication requires the ability to listen and understand, as well as the ability to express ideas, feelings, and thoughts in a clear and concise manner. Having good communication skills involves not only being able to express oneself, but also being able to actively listen. Listening to others without judgment or interruption is an essential part of communication. It allows for a better understanding of what the other person is trying to say. The ability to communicate clearly and concisely is also an important skill. It includes being able to express ideas in a way that is well-structured and easy to understand. This helps to ensure that the message is accurately conveyed. Number 6. Time management. Time management is an essential life skill for any man to master. Failing to properly manage your time can lead to unnecessary stress, missed opportunities, and a lack of productivity. By understanding how to effectively manage your time, you can achieve a better balance between your personal and professional lives. Time management starts with setting achievable goals. Prioritizing tasks, breaking up large projects into manageable chunks, and setting deadlines are all great strategies for staying on track. Additionally, setting aside specific time for each task and making sure to stick to the schedule can help you stay organized and productive. Time management also includes learning how to say no. As much as we would like to, we can't do everything, and it's important to recognize when it's time to say no. Whether it's declining a request for a favor or turning down an invitation, learning to say no is an important skill for managing your time. Number 5. Mindfulness. The ability to be mindful is one of the most important skills a man can have in life. It is not only important for achieving success, but it can also help men be better husbands and fathers, as well as friends and colleagues. Mindfulness is the ability to be present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment or evaluation. It's the ability to observe your life moment by moment without trying to change or control it. This simple skill has been shown to have big benefits, like making us more self-aware, helping us deal with our emotions better, and helping us understand the causes and effects of our actions. For example, a man who is aware of his surroundings can respond to situations with more clarity instead of on the spot. He is more attuned to his own needs and those of others, and is better able to manage strong emotions such as anger and frustration. He is better able to practice self-care and is more likely to be successful in his career and relationships. Number 4. Stress management. Stress affects us all, but it doesn't have to be a negative experience. Learning to manage stress can help us stay healthy and productive. Fortunately, there are many stress management techniques that can help us do just that. For starters, it's important to recognize the signs of stress. Common symptoms include headaches, fatigue, insomnia, and difficulty concentrating. When we become aware of these signs, it's a sign that we need to take steps to reduce our stress levels. One great way to manage stress is to take regular breaks. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes to walk around the block or just sitting in a quiet place and taking a few deep breaths. Taking a break can give us the time and space to get perspective on our situation and find a solution. Another great tool for managing stress is exercise. Exercise increases endorphins, our body's natural stress relievers, and can help us stay focused and energized. Regular physical activity can also help us stay healthy and manage our weight. Number 3. Self-awareness. Have you ever felt like you had no idea who you were or what you wanted out of life? Self-awareness is a skill that every man should have in order to become successful. This skill requires understanding your own values, strengths, weaknesses, thoughts, and emotions. One key example of how self-awareness can be used to help in life is by examining our values and making sure they align with our goals. If we don't understand our values clearly, it can be difficult to make decisions that are in our best interest. Additionally, understanding our strengths and weaknesses can help us focus our attention on the areas that need improvement. This can help us become more successful in our chosen field. Number 2. Resilience. Resilience is an important life skill every man needs in order to lead a successful and fulfilling life. Resilience is the ability to roll with the punches, face adversity, and bounce back from failure and disappointment. It's a skill that allows us to keep going, even when things seem to be going wrong. Studies have shown that resilient people are more likely to reach their goals than those without it. Resilience is an important part of living a happy and fulfilled life, as it allows us to keep pushing forward even when times are tough. For example, if you've had a setback in your career or personal life, you need resilience to get back on your feet and find new ways to move forward. It's also important to maintain a positive attitude during difficult times. Resilience is the ability to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep going, even if you face multiple challenges. Number 1. Not caring for what others think. Every man needs to learn not to care about what others think. This skill is one of the most important for living a happy and successful life. It's about understanding that other people's opinions of you have no bearing on your self-worth or life decisions. When you focus on what others think of you, you become anxious, depressed, and can't focus on your goals. You become so preoccupied with what other people think of you that you can't make the best decisions for yourself. This is why it's so important to learn how to not care for what others think. One way to start this process is to take a step back and observe your thoughts and feelings. When you feel anxious, ask yourself why and what you're worried about. You may realize that the things you're worrying about don't matter and that you should stop wasting your energy on them. Final thoughts. This video aims to explore the top 10 skills every man needs in life. Every man is unique, and the skills that are necessary for success vary from person to person. However, some fundamental skills are necessary for everyone. This includes communication, problem-solving, work ethic, time management, leadership, adaptability, money knowledge, organization, creativity, and self-confidence. These skills are integral for success in any endeavor, and having a mastery of them can provide great benefits in every aspect of life. If you have made it this far, we really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100% so we know that you watched the entire video. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you how to become a priority in her life. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.